cheek, your chin, your forehead. Yung malapit sa mga washroom, sa mga shower, yung may bilihan din. So doon kami pupwesto guys, doon banda. Yan, dyan kami pupwesto kasi dyan mas malapit yung washroom. So mas madali kapag kailangan mag-CR. Sa bag dyan. The blue one or the black one?
Blue one,
The blue one.
I need towel.
Huh?
Towel.
Ito talaga pinunta natin eh. Kumain ng Jolly Hotdog sa Right, Bo? Kumain ng Jolly Hotdog sa beach na to.
Yes.
Sige, Bo. Yum, yum?
Yes.
Go eat. Ang gusto niya sa kanya.
Because it's dami.
Plus, Zesto. Pareho lasa ng juice ng Philippines. Yung mga tetra. 1 dirham, 25 pills ata. May mango flavor din siya.
Mostly I like the orange and grapes or strawberry.
Grapes and orange.
Strawberry and orange is what I want. Plus. I need a combination.
Yes.
How to make more. We had to use all.
Yeah,
Dory again?
that's garlic, right?
Let's see.
Which one? Which should I pick?
Here. Let's see. Wow! Tatamaan pa niya.
It looks good.
Wow, good job.
I want one more.
Okay. Yun na si Kibo, nag-wash na siya ng paa. After nun, may shower dito. Ayun. Where you can... Finish?
Tired ako.
Finish na?
Tired na ako.
Tired.
Can I have my truck?
Magre-refill na si daddy ng water. So, siya.